Why am I so stupid? Why am I fucking stupid? Blizzard, let's go to the casino. Smart guy, SDGuy. This channel's gonna get me killed. Anyways, we have $500 to get into Prairie Meadows Casino. In, win, and fuck out. Here we go, guys. High five. Let's get a win. Vanna white bullshit, something like that. $5 max. Oh, ship kitties. $1 to double. $89. Fine. Double. Bonus me. I got it. Yeah. She ain't coming. Got it, because I put my hand there, you bitch. How many spins does it take to double for us, guys?
Now here's Vanna White.
Ring a ding ding.
Thanks, Jim. I'm ready if you are.
Thanks, Jimmy.
Come on, give that wheel a spin.
I slaps her. Oh, for fuck's sake. Jimmy, don't piss me off.
There are some big awards on the wheel.
There better be. Stop! You stop! Yes! She done. She listened.
It's the jackpot bonus. Here's Vanna White.
All right.
Hello and welcome to the jackpot bonus. Look up and check out that top value. That's the prize you're playing for. Now let's see if you have what it takes to win.
Our first rodeo.
Yeah.
This is how I do it. Oh, we're at 500. It's mine by me. Not that amber bullshit. No. You get the hell out of here. I flicks you away. Pinky, get no amber, no pinky. Oh, we got 200.
That's a good one.
Quadrupled and 2 spins.
I hope you had a great time. I sure did.
Right.
See you next time.
Alright. Did you guys see those skills? Those are skills for days. Alright.
There you have it. A real payday.
Oh, I got him. Oh, I got the pink one. Oh, I back up because school kids do that, right? Exactly. Okay, fire it up. Get it, Felicia. She's got it. $5 max bet. Hot as fuck shit. Here we go. Not a close one. Oh, fire it up. What just happened? Okay. I assume that's a wild. What the fuck's going on with this shit? Tire me. Nope. That's from a blade. Free game, kitties. Nope. I gotta put my hand there. That's why you guys should put my hand there. How does it ring it a ding ding ding. Oh, she's Rev Kitty. With sex banding sticky wilds. That sounds fun. Well, they're gonna stay there now? Fine. You bring more whore. Ma'am, you forgot my W's? Yes! $33. $33. Oh, she just went by the horse. Finish it out. Damn it. Double. There we go. Just try to get shut down by security and I shut him down. Roll back. Alright. $3 here max bet on Mistress of Egypt Grand. Oh, 5 most of them with 75 free Gtech. That sounds amazing. Get your ass. Oh, now we want red bastard. Oh, you get. You didn't even try, Felicia. You didn't even try. Whatever, bitch. Oh, I'm so mad now. Yeah. Get up there. Oh, she didn't even try. That time she really didn't even try it. Oh my god. Now I'm getting pissed. Pissy kitty in the city. That's me. I'm that kitty. Come on. Yeah. Boop. Hi. Hey, girl, hey. $96. You're goddamn right, hey, girl, hey. All right. Ooh, keep it up, Felicia. Keep it up. I pets you to get down here. That didn't work. That makes sense. Oh, you guys. It does shit. Oh, that's fun. I like that. And I got skills. Oh my God, you have to go over the red gate. Get up there. Oh, there she goes. Oh, ring-a-ding. Oh, come on. Oh, the blue. Oh, charge the shit out of it. Yeah. 30. Oh, yes. Oh, that's great. Oh, that's fantastic. No, just joking. $56. Fuck you. I got excited for nothing. I thought that was so hard. Why did that be dog shit? Oh, for fuck's sake. I got so excited. Was it 5 Wilds that paid so well earlier or something? I guess it must have been. I don't know. Fucking know. Alright, Felicia, I pet your pyramid again. I pets your pyramid. It's very sexually explicit, you guys. Innuendos for days. Well, that's annoying that is so shantacular. That should have been a double in the bag. In the bag. Yo, I helped you. Nope. This bitch. Hi there. Hey.
Name's Sean with the security department.
Yeah. What's going on?
Reason we're videotaping.
We almost got shut down, but SDGuy wins again. I got skills. I pet you. God damn woman. Get her. Ma'am. Oh my God. Yeah, ring-a-ding. Get over there. Oh, there she goes. She ran away. Okay. Come on now. Oh, I charged you. Nailed it. Oh, come on now. 5. Yeah, 5 kind of wild. Hot as fuck shit. 71. Did she say awesome? Is that what she just said? I don't know if Cleopatra would be saying awesome. I don't know how I feel about that theming. Fuck you, Cleo. Alright. You guys, so close. So close. So close. Ring-a-ding. Eat shit. Oh my God. This damn woman. Ring-a-ding. Get your ass down here and you. Yeah, get out of here. Oh, there she goes. She ran away again. She's so scary. Scaredy kitty. Oh, I touched you. I bet you. Double! Oh God. Oh God. That's gotta be a double. That is a double, yes! Skills. Alright. Pokes her eyes, you guys. Alright. Cleopatra Gizold. $6 her max bet. Will I play double or nothing? Here we go. Haven't played this horn half in a hot and horny minute. And she misses me, and I miss her. Murr. She don't listen, bitch. Get up there. She not listening. Get up there. God damn it. Quit disobeying. Ma'am, get your... Oh. Ring-a-da-ding. Sandstorm kitty. 5 bonus symbols. Yeah. Come on. Ring-a-da-ding. Right on.
Welcome to
Come on.
Free Games. Wild symbols are upgraded.
Are they now? My second most ever in this sack of shit, and the first one fucking sucked, so this one you need to kick the ass, bitch. Ma'am, get your ass down. She don't fucking listen. She is not gonna get up, motherfucker. Oh my God. Down. This bitch. This bitch. Up. Oh my God. Up. You fucking fuck. Oh, I'm mad. Oh, I'm so mad. Up, whore.
Beautiful.
$66? We haven't even doubled yet, you bitch. Oh, I'm so mad. Fuck off. Oh my god. Up! Got it, because I put my hand there, you guys. Come on, bitch face, you owe me. Give a sandstorm. Bring it in. Up, kitty. Be up or soon. We're watching. Come on. Get him. Oh, retrigger. No.
That's nice.
$60.
This is nice.
We doubled. Thanks. Yeah, I got her. Bitch. Pissing me off. You stay up there. More. Nope. Wild me. She ain't wild and shit. You will get your ass back up there. This is bullshit. Nope.
Enjoy your rewards.
Do we enjoy that?
Nice.
It's not terrible, bitch, but it should have been much hotter and hotter. Oh my god. Cannot do that. A new game to the SDGuy. I know it's not new at all, but I have never played it. 10-cent denomination because we're smarter gamblers, and we are going to $4 a spin. Okay, that was not a win. Fucking asshole. Ring it in. Get him. Oh! Hot and horny challenge? What's that? What is that? 20 bucks? Fine. Alright. Next 5 or more to win. Come on. Jam kitty, Jammy Jemerson. Ring it a ding. Oh, she slammed the door like a bitch. Attitude whore. What's going on? Oh, she's so loud. Press the pin. What's going on? There went up. Oh, we want to land them. Okay, I gotcha. I'm on board now. I gotcha. Oh, okay. As long as we land them, we get to keep going. Bring it in. Get your ass on the top there. Get him! Oh, why don't we add more? Why don't we add more? Do we have to get so many to add? Oh god. Gem the shit out of it. Gem, we're gem. One more. We're done? Why did they reset? Did we have to tree reset or something? I don't know, you guys. Too much money. Hot and horny. Super fancy. Fancy as fuck. Bring it in. $52. Alright, we gotcha. Get your ass out of here. Jewels of Kaishen. Who the fuck is Kaishen? Why the fuck do I care? Last minute if we don't win anything. Oh god. Damn it. Oh, mega gem. Is that how you get that? Or do you have to full screen or something? No. Jammy. Nope. Alright. Aruze brings us Happy Charm Tokyo Daruma. Oh, I poked your eyes, you fucking asshole. $5 her max bet. You guys hot and horny first win bonus? I was just joking. God damn it. Get him. Ain't got him. Bring it in! I poked your eyes because I stopped you guys. Oh my god, if a wild goes in there, it'd be a full screen of asshole. Oh, do it! Oh, keep going! Don't stop! You asshole. Fuck you. Oh, I'm mad. No, I'm mad. Oh, he put a wild. I thought that was it. Oh, I'm sad. Last spin. Nope, not. Damn it. Gold Mayan. $5 max bet. Here we go. What's going on? Anything else? I don't know. Come on. Ring a ding. Oh, throwing. She's after going. She's hot and horny. Come on. 2,000 ways to win. Do it. What's that? 20 bucks? Okay, fine. Gold bastards. 120 bucks! Ah, shit! Wonderful! Poke your eyes, yes. But, you guys, do we stop here? Fuck no, SDGuy. You got rules. That's right, you guys. And now this is how we slip into bankruptcy. Oh, there she goes, the bastard. Come on, shit biscuit. Bonus. What's that? Queens and nines? Fuck you! Oh god, I thought we were doubled right there. But we weren't, you guys. I'm sad. Gold. 40 bucks. That'd be a double. Twice stick the goddamn rolls. Not as good. Nothing. Folks, the eyes of City of Gold, Egypt. $5 max bet. Come on, you bastards. Get them. Oh, she's mad as hell. Hi. Oh, you gotta get gold bastard. King Tut, make me your slut. Oh, what's going on? Oh, if you don't get it on the first row, I'm gonna kick your ass. Got him. Come on. Oh no. Damn it. Divine power. I got you. Divine power. Fuck face. Oh, he's mad as hell again. Do it. Divine power. No? Yeah! Divine the shit out of that. Oh, you had better be getting them all the way down. King Tut. Damn it! Fucking asshole. There's no 5 of a kind for fuck all. Coin kitty. Oh no, the King Tut. Oh, damn. 40 bucks. The asshole. Damn it. Last spin. Damn it. Maxed out major for $1,000. We're fans of maxed out major trade. We're going to do dime denomination because we're starting others. And progressive bet. Minimum bet of $2.50. Up to $25. Down here's a spin. There goes $5 bet. Come on, Moonies. Just joking. Jerks. Ring-a-ding. $5 spin. Come on, one more. Got it. 50, it's not a double yet. It's not a double, but we're gonna land that major and that's gonna be a double. You guys ready for the major? Here it comes. Spin invited. Got it. Didn't get it. This major bitch. Come on, minor, major, mini. Trifecta. Let's go. Moon me. They're shitty moons. Come on, I got it. What's it gonna be? Happy one. Damn it. But I saved the day. That's my skills. Got it. Yes. Come on now. Oh, I saw the major go by. Oh, down there. Come on. Yeah. Oh, last one. Get him. Oh. No trumpet. Damn trumpet. I think we're ahead at least now. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Skills. All right, halfway to dueling. I got you. All right, 750. Do it again. She didn't do it. Mother. Oh my god. This bitch. Oh my god. Ring. Got it. I didn't get it. Damn it. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're new here. Give me a thumbs up below. We'll see you tomorrow for another fantastic video. Bye.